When it comes to increasing the value of your home in Redmond, Washington, making strategic home improvements can yield a significant return on investment. Among the most impactful upgrades, door replacement stands out as a relatively affordable yet effective way to boost both curb appeal and functionality. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enhance its overall value, replacing outdated doors with high-quality, modern options can make a dramatic difference. Here's how door replacement plays a vital role in increasing property value in Redmond. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers or guests notice. A new, stylish door instantly enhances your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive and inviting. In Redmond, where homes are often surrounded by lush greenery and scenic views, a well-chosen door can complement the natural beauty of the area and elevate your home's overall aesthetic. A front door is a focal point of your home's exterior, and choosing a modern, high-quality door can add a sense of sophistication and style. Whether you opt for a sleek contemporary design, a classic wooden entry door, or a steel door for added security, replacing your old door with a new one is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve the visual appeal of your home. Improved energy efficiency. In a city like Redmond, where weather can be unpredictable and temperatures vary throughout the year, energy efficiency is an important consideration for homeowners. Old, worn-out doors can contribute to energy loss, allowing drafts to enter your home and causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. This not only makes your home less comfortable but also increases your energy bills. Replacing old doors with energy-efficient models can significantly reduce energy loss. Modern doors are designed with insulation in mind, often featuring double or triple glazing, weatherproof seals, and energy-efficient cores. These features help to keep your home's interior temperature stable, preventing heat from escaping during winter and keeping cool air inside during the summer months. With the right door replacement, you'll see lower utility bills and a more comfortable home, which is an attractive selling point for future buyers. Enhanced security. Security is a top priority for most homeowners, and the condition of your doors plays a significant role in keeping your home safe. Old doors, particularly wooden ones, can become weakened or damaged over time, making them more vulnerable to break-ins. A new door replacement offers enhanced security features, including stronger materials, advanced locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant glass. Steel and fiberglass doors, for example, offer superior strength compared to traditional wooden doors. These materials are resistant to warping, cracking, and rotting, and they provide better protection against forced entry. Additionally, many new doors come with multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it much harder for intruders to break in. Replacing your doors with more secure options will give you peace of mind while also adding value to your property by improving its safety. Long-term durability. Old, worn-out doors often require frequent repairs, such as repainting or resealing, to keep them functioning properly and looking good. These ongoing maintenance costs can add up over time. Replacing your doors with high-quality, durable materials can reduce the need for future maintenance and repairs, making your home more attractive to potential buyers who don't want to take on additional upkeep. Modern doors, particularly those made of fiberglass or steel, are designed to withstand the elements and resist damage. They are highly durable, resistant to weather-related issues like rotting, fading, and warping, and often come with warranties that guarantee their performance for many years. Investing in a new door replacement ensures that your home remains in top condition with minimal maintenance, which adds long-term value. Better indoor comfort. In addition to boosting energy efficiency, new doors can improve the overall comfort of your home. Doors with better insulation help to reduce drafts, keep noise out, and maintain a more consistent temperature throughout your living spaces. Whether it's a patio door that leads to your outdoor entertainment area or a front door that provides access to your entryway, a new door can make your home more comfortable and enjoyable. For homeowners in Redmond, where outdoor living is a significant part of the lifestyle, patio door replacements can enhance your indoor-outdoor flow, allowing you to enjoy your beautiful surroundings in comfort. Sliding glass doors, for example, offer easy access to your backyard or deck while keeping your home well insulated and protected from the elements. A smart investment for resale value. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to increase its long-term value, replacing your doors is a smart investment that can provide a solid return. A new, attractive door enhances your home's curb appeal, improves its energy efficiency, and provides better security, all of which are highly appealing to prospective buyers. According to home improvement experts, homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of their investment in door replacement when it comes time to sell. A quality door upgrade helps your home stand out in the competitive Redmond real estate market, making it more likely to sell faster and at a higher price. Customization options. Today's door replacement options offer a wide range of materials, designs, colors, and finishes, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect door that matches their home's style and personality. Whether you prefer a traditional wooden door with decorative glass inserts, a sleek modern steel door, or a fiberglass door that mimics the look of wood without the maintenance, there are plenty of options to suit your taste. Customizable doors allow you to enhance the architectural design of your home while also improving functionality. From adding decorative hardware to choosing energy-efficient features, you can tailor your door replacement to fit your needs and preferences. Conclusion: door replacement plays a critical role in increasing the property value of your Redmond home. By improving curb appeal, enhancing energy efficiency, boosting security, and reducing maintenance costs, new doors offer both immediate and long-term benefits. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply looking to enhance your living space, investing in door replacement is a smart way to add value to your property and improve its overall comfort and performance.